we meet because of Corona. Safe at home, don't go away students. Today we are going to see part of grammar. Now I ask some questions related about it. Can you say some parts of trees? Stem, root, fruit, leaves, etc. Name some parts of our body. Eyes, nose, mouth, neck, stomach, etc. Can you say some parts of cycle? Mugger, handball, front wheel and back wheel, seats and baskets. Can you guess it? What type of topic we will discuss about it? Yes, we will discuss about it. Parts of speech. You know, 26 letters make words in English. 8 parts make sentences. We cannot speak fluently when without knowing parts of speech. So, what are the parts of speech? There are 8 parts. First one, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjections. Today we can see only 2 headings, noun and pronoun. First, noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. It names all. All means all person, all places, all animals, all things. First, all person. Names of all. Names of all. Men and women. Here, for example, Kannan is a good boy. Here, Kannan is a name of person. So, Kannan is a noun. The second one is all places. Names of all places like continents, countries, districts, etc. Delhi is the capital of India. Here, Delhi is the name of place. So, Delhi is a noun. Third one is all animals. Names all wild animals and domestic animals. Here, dog is a faithful animal. Here, dog is the name of animal. So, dog is a noun. The last one is name of all things. Name all the things like in the sky and the earth, plus we can see, hear, taste, smell and think of. Here, pen is mightier than sword. Here, pen is a name of thing. So, pen is a noun. Can you understand? The second one is kinds of noun. Nouns can be divided into 5 more categories. The first one, proper noun, common noun, material noun, abstract noun and the collective noun. First one, the proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is a name of all particular person, particular places, particular animals and particular things. Particular person. So many persons like Peter, Abdullah, Raman, Asmin, Mary and Sita. Here an example is Ram. Ram is a specified name. So Ram is a particular person. So many places like Asia, Europe, Kanchipuram, like etc. etc. Here is an example is Madurai, Asia, Europe, Kanchipuram, like etc. etc. Here is an example is Madurai is specified district. So Madurai is a particular noun. So many books like the holy books like Bhagavad Gita, Quran and Bible, etc. etc. So these are all particular nouns. The second one is common noun. Common noun, the names which denotes all common, all persons, like all persons, all places, all animals, all things. It is shared by the same kind of person, same kind. Okay, it is not a particular to anyone only. It is not a particular to anyone only. Same kind of person, like boys, king, actors. Common noun have both singular and plural. Okay. The third one is material noun. Material noun is a name of raw materials or substances out of which things made of. For example, fabric is from cotton. Cotton is a raw material. Here is an example. The metal like gold, silver, etc. The natural gift like water, clay, wood, etc. And mixture goods, synthetic goods. Synthetic means mixture goods like paper, rubber, etc. So these are all material noun. The fourth one is abstract noun. Abstract noun is a quality or states. States means feelings. It is coming out from any person, like love, joy, truth. The last one is collective noun. Collective nouns denotes a group of person, group of places, group of animals and group of all things. For example, group of all persons like families, army, a place like panchayat, district, states, etc. And a group of animals like flags, herd, etc. Group of all things like forest. That's all. Can you understand? The second part is pronoun. What is pronoun? There are 8 original pronouns. First you know 3 persons. First person, second person and third person. First person like I is a singular. We is plural. Second person you. Singular, you also plural. The third person he, she, it. Singular, they comes plural. How do we find it? Here, Murugan said that Murugan was ill. The second sentence is Murugan said that he was ill. First you know what is pronoun. Pronoun means which words comes place instead of noun. Here Murugan said that Murugan was ill. Why change he? Instead of Murugan. Murugan is a male. So he. Murugan said that Murugan was ill. Second sentence is Murugan said that he was ill. If the same word is Murugan used again and again, it is clumsy. Clumsy means awkward. So Murugan instead he. In case Sita said Sita was ill. Sita is a female word. So she put she. Sita and Rama said that they were ill. So they. Okay. So here he is used for Murugan in the second sentence. So he is called a pronoun. Okay, students? Okay, students? Can you understand what is noun? What is the kinds of nouns? What is pronoun? In the following classes, we will discuss about other topic.